Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 17, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So, to get started, open up your settings, and in here, assuming you're on the main settings page, like this one, from here you want to navigate to General, and then at the bottom you'll find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on it and then select the second option right here, Erase All Content and Settings. This will present you with the information of what will be deleted. So 41.5 gigs of data will be removed. Your Apple account will be removed from the device, and also Find My Device will be basically deactivated on this phone. We're going to select Continue, Erase iPhone. Now it will, number one, prompt you to confirm your SIM card, not SIM card, but your screen PIN, and then it will try to back up your data, which we can skip. I don't want to back up my data, and once you do that, it then gives you this page where you can confirm your password for the account that is signed in. If you don't have any account, it automatically goes through a reset, but most of us do have an account signed in, so you will need to sign out of it right here. So let me do that quickly. Now, let's see, is it showing anything? So I believe at the bottom there's like a loading screen. So I did confirm it with the check mark, as you can see. And you can see it finally succeeded. So it took it a moment. Once it signs out, it automatically begins factory resetting your device. And this will take about 5 minutes to finish up. This progression here doesn't indicate the actual progression till it's finished. It just indicates the removal of data, which is much faster. So anyway, prep like 5 minutes, and afterwards, once it's finished, we will be presented with the setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And I'll also pause the video just so I don't waste your time. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.